When your child gets sick, the hardest part is often knowing what to do next. Mindset Kids is designed to help you prepare ahead of time so you can feel confident when your child needs care. Start by joining online. It's a simple first step that gets your family set up before you ever need a sick visit. At Mindset Kids, we believe confident care starts before the first symptom. We encourage and educate parents by providing trusted guidance, practical tools, and access to like-minded physicians. We give you peace of mind to treat at home when appropriate and help you understand when more advanced care is needed. Right away, you receive a welcome email with program information, next steps, and helpful resources to get started. You will also receive the Handy Home Kit and Natural Health Guide with practical tools that help you care for your child from home and share useful information when needed. After you join, Mindset Kids keeps guiding you with customer journey emails that help you understand your benefits, resources, and next steps over time. When your child does get sick, you already know exactly what to do. Using the Natural Health Guide and the tools included in your Handy Home Kit, you can assess symptoms at home, feel more confident about next steps, and better understand when more advanced care may be needed. If you do need additional support, call the office or use the patient portal to request an appointment and begin the next steps from home. From there, your child's chart is set up, you complete a few registration forms, and you can upload photos, videos, or vitals if needed. A care coordinator asks a few questions, then helps schedule your visit with a Mindset Kids provider. The result is a care experience built around access, guidance, support, and peace of mind for busy families. Join online to get started, or reach out with any questions. Mindset Kids is here to help you feel prepared before your child needs care. Become the scientist of your family's health and call Mindset Kids today.